This might be another ultimate workbench video on YouTube, but consider this sturdy design. It's mobile, it's big, and it's modular, giving you the ultimate flexibility. I'm Jeremy, and this is Gadgets and Grain. Alright, so this is not turning out how I expected. The tables aren't sticking together for a couple reasons. One, the magnets just aren't making a flush contact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the magnets, I'm going to put some washers behind them, screw them back in, and that way the magnets will kind of butt out a little bit more and the tables will stick together. You know, I think this will be fine. You know, most of the time I'm not really going to need the table to move all as one piece. It's just nice that it can kind of automatically clamp together when I need it. I really like this workbench, and I like being able to split it in half depending on the kind of project I'm working on. Now, if you're like me, your workshop is still a full-time garage, so splitting it in half also makes it really easy for storage and getting that workbench out of the way. Plus, this miter saw slot is a time saver for me. I can kind of get it in and out really quickly. But it opens up the possibilities for other things. Maybe I'm gonna build like a little thing for my pocket hole jig, or when I get into using a router, I can make a little router table setup. It's really nice. Now I still need to build up the shelves for the workbench. I'll make that in another video on the storage situation here. But if you have any questions or any comments on this design, leave them below. I'll be sure to get back to you. And for full step-by-step instructions, follow my blog link in the description below. And I'll see you over at gadgetsandgrain.com.